all in your YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we will see how we can extract a text from, say for example, in this case the name is there. I want to extract first name, middle name and surname. How you can do that? For that you have to go to just data menu. From this you can access the data menu. In that you have to go to text to column. Here it is there, but before that you have to first of all select the data. I will do it by Control Shift down arrow key. So entire data will be selected. I will click on text to column. Yeah, here you will see there are two options, delimited and fixed width. First of all we will learn how to use delimited. I will just press next. Here these are the delimiters. It will guide you. Okay, you want to separate the text which is there through, say for example, comma, semicolon, space. Yes, if I will click on this space button, see the answer will be displayed over here. And if I will press next and again I will press finish, yes, okay, you will see the answer is coming. But one thing you must have observed, that the original data is also changed. I don't want to do that. To better understanding, I will do like Control Z. Okay. Again I will do it. Again click on text to column. Again click on next. Again you will see as we have clicked on the space, the answer is appearing over here. Again I will click on next. Wait. Here by default the destination cell will be the original data. So I will just change it. Just remove it. Just click over here where you want the result. Now I will click on finish. Okay. Now you can see first name, middle name and surname are in different column. Now different. Say for example my data is like this. So there is no space, no comma, nothing. And I want to separate it from @. How we can do that? Again I will select the data, Control Shift down arrow key. I will again click on text to column. Again I will click next. Here there is no space, so I will just remove this click. Here if you have any other symbol other than this, you can click on this other and I can press Shift and 2 key. So @ sign will be displayed. You can see the result. The data will be in different column over here. I will click on next. Again I will click on finish. If I want the answer in different column, I will also change this. Let's do it. Okay. I will click on finish. See friends, now name and the email ID are bifurcated as per my requirement. Now we will see the another variation. Say for example, there is no space, there is no special character, and I want, say for example, first two letter which is state code in Indian GST number and 10 letter after the first state code are PAN number. I want state code, PAN number and other letter in different column. How you can do that? Same process. Again I will select Control Shift down arrow key. Again you have to go to text to column. Now here if I want the data according to my choice, I have to select fixed width. I will click on next. Here, wait. Here it will allow you to separate the data according to your requirement. I will just do a click over here. Wherever I will click, the data will be separated according to that. If you have done the arrow by mistake like this, you can remove it by just double clicking on it. It will be removed. Now my PAN number is, say for example, up to this. So my 10th letter from first two digit will be separated into different column. I will press next. Again I want the answer in different column. I will select the destination cell. Just click over here. Click finish. Yes. Okay. See the magic friends. Now your state code, PAN number and other all are in different column. Hope friends you have enjoyed the video. If you are new, please subscribe the channel. If you feel the video is good, please like. Thank you very much. Keep smiling. Take care.